I will never race a cheetah after learning this. I think I messed up letting one outrun my car. Okay, don't try this at home. Seriously. Cheetahs are the sprinters of the savannah. Top speed about 60-70 mph, reached in under 3 seconds. Their flexible spine-long legs act like a built-in supercharger. Massive nostrils and lungs pump oxygen fast. Their tail is a crazy built-in rudder for tight turns. But sprinting burns energy fast. Most chases are under a minute. Cubs have a fluffy mane that helps hide them from predators. Sadly, habitat loss and conflict mean cheetah numbers are dropping. Want more wild speed facts? Hit follow and roar with us by subscribe for more.